continue on with the second part. I was saying the spark plug there, it's a 5/8 and it fits in there. Really, it's the perfect size. Not too tight to scratch and damage the inside, not too loose so that it gets crooked. It's the perfect size. So I like to use some clean ATF fluid as well, just to make sure there's no scratches. Adjust this jack right here, but it's probably jack it up. Now you see, it's much easier to have somebody hold the piston for you. If you hit it on the side of the press, it might damage it, scratch it. You always want to be careful as possible. People like sheets of rubber in. There's better. Also bent, as you can see. A little bit better. There. At this point I could probably just, it's easy enough to just jack it up with my hand. My hand will actually grab the knot. But still very little pressure. Really easy. Make sure it's not hitting the top of the hole here. Press, in my case. And at some point, you'll just snap off the rod. There. That's just completely loose. Just hold it so that it doesn't fall off all over the place. Tap down. In my case, it's not so good. It's not going down by itself. And behold, it's out. A spark plug socket wants to be a piston pin. There you go. So that comes off easily by hand, and that's the last piston pin that I'm removing. Keep the pistons with their corresponding connecting rods. Don't really want to go crazy about it, but in my case they're all in good shape, so it doesn't matter. But some people will say, oh, you really have to keep them together. So try, it doesn't hurt. I don't know, I'm going to try to just show you guys that I didn't damage anything. I don't know if the camera will be able to get that or not, but I'll try. So let me just clean out the interior there. Some people are going to say, ah, you swapped the piston, but no, I didn't. And if you notice it really carefully, you'll notice that it's the same piston. Just cleaned it up a bit. I don't think you'll be able to. Let's see, depending on what the camera's mood is today. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I don't think it's happening. Yeah, it's not happening. I'm really sorry. What can I do? Maybe like that? Oh, that looks like like you're getting it. As you can see, no scratches. And no heat, no special machines, no machine shop. Nice and clean, nice and easy. The ATF fluid was fundamental. Just out of curiosity, I tried removing some of the other pistons without any ATF fluid, and there was some scratching, small amount of scratching. There's a piston pin. There's the mark where the connecting rod goes. So we're actually using that. I'm going to use that later to put these back in. I don't have a special tool. We're just going to put it back where it goes and make sure it's in the middle. Measure it with the vernier until it's in the middle, and we can just use these marks here. Problem is, see, these are the problems. These are what causes scratches. So even if you try your best with the ATF, with WD-40 diesel, whatever, there's still small ridges here from the piston pin here, wearing out on the piston itself and on the side walls of the pistons like that. So you can see there's two distinct clear lines there. Right here I can feel quite a lump. So how are you going to remove this without damaging, without scratching, without small dents on the bore? You can't. It's impossible. So there's no other way. It's in there. How are you going to remove this when it's in there? You know. So it's impossible. So don't you know, crucify yourself not being for having small scratches, because it might just be the case. Now ATF works great because it really gets in there. You could use engine oil as well. The lighter, the better. I'd stay away from anything thick. I used some assembly as well, but it's thick and doesn't really get into between the surfaces because it's fairly thick. So, but for putting it back in, for installing them, then you want to do the opposite. I'm going to use assembly lube. It's stickier. I want something a little bit thicker. There's a piston pin. Just try it yourself. Here. Same to me if you want to spend money. I just give you the information. Tell you how to do it. Show you how to do it. Some people do it, some people don't. There's absolutely no scratches at all. Nothing. Nada. What I will do is, though, I'm going to keep these rings. They seem fine to me. And I'm just going to keep them for, I don't know, compare them to the new ones. But the pistons for sure, these are done. Scrap. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to remove piston pins at home using hydraulic jack, a welder, 2 solid bars, and 2 weights from a gym.